AI in the classroom? A resounding yes. Replacing teachers? Absolutely not. As a future teacher, I see AI as a support tool, not a shortcut. I'd use AI to help design creative lessons, differentiate learning, and give students faster feedback, and make learning more accessible. That's powerful. But here's the thing, AI supports thinking. It doesn't replace it. When I use AI, I don't just copy and paste. I question it. Is it accurate? Is it biased? Does it actually answer the task? That critical thinking? That's still mine. Even in assessment, like creating a blog as a multimodal essay, AI can help with brainstorming or structure, but the ideas, analysis, and reflection have to be authentic. Transparency matters. Original thought matters. Because at the end of the day, AI can generate content, but it can't replicate human creativity, lived experience, empathy, or ethical judgment. Students still need to learn how to think, not just how to prompt. So as a future teacher, my goal isn't to avoid AI. It's to model responsible use, to teach students how to use it thoughtfully, and to keep human creativity at the center of learning. AI is the tool. We're still the thinkers.